everyone, a very warm welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to make a traditional, comforting and absolutely delicious dish from Bihar Dal Pithi. This wholesome recipe is made with soft wheat dumplings cooked in flavorful spiced dal. It's simple, nutritious and perfect for a hearty meal. So, without any delay, let's get started. First, let's prepare the dal. Take a pressure cooker and heat it on a high flame. Add approximately 300 grams of tur dal, also known as arhar dal. Pour in about 3 large glasses of water. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a little oil as well. Close the lid and cook it for around 10 to 15 minutes on low flame until the dal becomes soft and well cooked. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dough for the pithi. In a mixing bowl, take approximately 400 to 500 grams of wheat flour. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds, also known as ajwain. Mix everything well. And add enough water to form a dough. Knead it into a soft dough, just like we prepare for chapati. As you can see, our dough is ready. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Now, let's prepare the vegetables for the tadka. Take 1 medium-sized onion, 2 tomatoes and 1 green chili. Chop all the vegetables finely and transfer them into a bowl. Also, take some coriander leaves for garnishing, chop them finely and keep them aside. While our dish is cooking, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Now let's get back to our recipe. Now let's shape the pithi. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into a large disc. Cut them into small discs with the help of ball. And fold them into the shape shown in the video. Repeat the process and shape the rest of the dough into pithis. Transfer all the prepared pithis onto a plate. Now let's check if the dal is cooked. Open the pressure cooker lid. As you can see, our dal is perfectly cooked. Keep it aside. Now it's time to prepare the tadka. Take a pan and heat some oil. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds and chopped green chili. Then add the chopped onion and cook until it turns golden brown. Next, add the chopped tomatoes and stir well. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Cook until the tomatoes become soft. Now add 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, also known as hing, and mix well. Now pour the boiled dal into the pan and stir everything together. You can add a little water to adjust the consistency as per your preference. Gently add the pithis into the hot dal. Let them cook on medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. Stir occasionally so they don't stick together. As you can see, our delicious dal pithi is now ready. Turn off the flame and garnish it with freshly chopped coriander leaves. And that's it. Your homemade dal pithi is ready to serve. Serve it hot. This dish is pure comfort in a bowl and perfect for family meals. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more traditional and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.